Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I will show you how you can add cash to your Phantom wallet account. So this is referring to this new feature right here. Now first off, once you open up your Phantom wallet, you will just need to tap on add cash right here, or you will just need to go through that first introduction menu if you haven't enabled it yet. So I will just tap on add cash. Then, as you can see, only one option is currently available, with bank and credit card transfers coming soon, and also direct bank deposits. So I will select the first option, that being Quick Sell Crypto, as the way to deposit some cash on my Phantom wallet account. So because I have some USDC, I will go ahead and select USDC that I would like to convert into Phantom wallet cash. So just go ahead and tap on this button right here, and input the amount of that selected cryptocurrency that you would like to exchange for cash. So let's say $5. Now, once you selected the amount, depending on the liquidity available, you will be able to get a quote. But now, as you can see, because of the low liquidity at the moment, I can't get this quote for $5. But if liquidity is sufficient at that moment that you like to make a swap, this button right here will light up and you will be able to exchange the selected amount of the cryptocurrency to cash. So essentially, that's guys how you can add cash to your Phantom wallet account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.